Alright, I'm gonna make a quick video on testing out my DJI Air2S in winter conditions. It's 18 degrees right now. It just snowed yesterday. The winds are decent. They're like maybe, I don't know, 18 or less than 20 last I checked. And visibility is 10, so everything's good except for how cold it is. It's a bit too cold. It says it's not supposed to be flown below freezing, which it is. But I think it'll do fine. It's probably just going to lower the battery life. So let's test it out. I just want to get some quick winter shot because Take two. Alright, so I just flew the DJI Air2S in 18-degree weather. Wind wasn't that bad, visibility was good, so everything else checked out. But that's the only main thing. You know, it said all the warnings and the videos and the stuff I read, it kind of got me worried that something was going to happen. But honestly, nothing really happened. It was the same as normal, except for that initial drop on the battery. When I took off, the battery should have been at 90 minimum. Yeah, as soon as I noticed it and actually looked at it, it was at 75, like within 2 minutes of being up in the air. So it did, the cold, I guess, did affect it a little bit, the battery. But besides that initial drop, the way it went down after while I was using it, it was pretty normal. Maybe a little bit quicker than normal, but not much difference, not too noticeable, you know. I did come back before the battery got below 40 because of that initial drop. I didn't want it to just randomly lose like 20 and then I don't have enough time to get back. So, but yeah, it actually did pretty good. It, you know, exceeded my expectations. And I'll probably do it again as long as wind's not that bad and it's at least, I don't know, I'd say 15 degrees or higher, and it's not actually snowing, because the snow liquid could actually damage the battery or the drone. So as long as it's not snowing and it's not too windy, then you should be good, even if it's a little cold.